The 60 cm Karl Gerät 040 and its improved version 54 cm Karl Gerät 041, the heaviest self-propelled mortar used during World War II. It was part of the armament of the German land forces. Its name was given in honor of the German artillery general Karl Becker. In March 1936, the German plants of Rheinmetall AG began work on the construction of the new siege mortars, intended for the destruction of fortified structures, mainly heavy bunkers of the French Maginot Line. Work was delayed. 6 copies were commissioned for use by the army. They were given Roman numbers and names of Germanic gods. The 1937 prototype had no name. 1. Adam, handed over the army on November 5, 1940, renamed Bulge at the end of the war. 2. Eve, handed over on November 7, 1940, renamed Wotan at the end of the war. 3. Thor, transferred February 20, 1941. 4. Odin, transferred on April 14, 1941. 5. Loki, transferred on June 11, 1941. 6. Zeus, handed over on August 28, 1941. The original task of the mortars was to destroy the Maginot Line shelters, but their production was not on time. Only during Operation Barbarossa were they used in combat during the siege of Sevastopol, Odin and Thor. Mortars were transported by trains on special designed platforms. On their own tracks, they could only move short distances. The delivery of ammunition was also a problem due to the weight and size. For this purpose, special ammunition vehicles built on the chassis of Panzer IV tanks were used. Before firing, Karl Mörser had to land the bottom of the hull on a specially prepared surface to relieve the suspension. The mortar had a low rate of fire, but the explosion of a 600 mm caliber shell caused significant damage. Karl No. 6 Zeus was used to fire at Warsaw during the Warsaw Uprising. During the Warsaw Uprising, several dozen missiles were fired at the insurgent positions. One of them was hit on August 18, 1944 in a building at Moniuszki Street where the Adria restaurant was located, broke into the cellars, but did not explode. The insurgents disarmed the munition and obtained explosives from it, which were used during the fighting. The shell of the missile can now be seen in the country yard of the Polish Army Museum in Warsaw. Another missile hit the top of the building of the Prudential Insurance Company on August 28, 1944 and seriously damaged its structure, caused it to deviate from the vertical. The moment of the hit was captured in a photograph taken from the roof of the building at Kopernika Street.